Alright guys, today is an unboxing from a good friend named Tristan Barnett. He is here on YouTube. I will try to link his YouTube channel in the description. I bought a knife from him and this is my unboxing of it. Using a buck knife that he told me about so I could get it repaired. Thanks again Tristan for the info so I could get this one repaired. And it's also included too. Thank you for the flashlights, Tristan. I know you got one for me, one for my sister. Thanks again for that. One's for her birthday. And then here's the knife he made. Thanks again, Tristan. It's awesome. I couldn't ask for a better job myself. Thank you. Thanks again. I can't wait to use it for work. Opening boxes and packages. Thanks again.